This is how I install these brass threaded inserts. First step is to drill the right size hole. These particular ones came with instructions that said drill 5/16 hole. 5/16 inch hole. Well, that doesn't work so well. This is an 11/32, and that works great. So make sure you experiment. Some of them will come with instructions that say use one size for softwood, use a different for hardwood. Start at that larger hardwood size. Next step is to use some lube. In this case I got some paste wax. That will greatly assist, a little dab will do you, that will greatly assist in the threads cutting through the wood and not breaking things out. The third step, besides work holding, the third step is don't use these tabs in here for a flathead screwdriver. Use the fastener that goes with the insert. Thread that all the way in there. And now you've got a tool that'll easily keep that perpendicular and it distributes the load throughout all those threads in there. They won't break off the top. Just slowly thread it in there by hand. If you feel resistance, go ahead, back it out. And turn the insert back quarter turn. Just kind of like tapping threads in metal or whatnot. Then go back at it. I know it's tedious, but this will stop the wood from splintering out the top. Just keep going like so. And now I've bottomed out my hole. But that's what I found is the best way through many failures. Good luck.